Hey guys, welcome to Brogrammers. So in this video, we are going to solve the lead code problem of the day, which is 4th August, right? So the question states range sum of sorted subarray sums, right? It is lead code number 1508, right? The question is saying you are given the array nums consisting of n positive integer. Compute the You computed the sum of all non-empty continuous subarrays from the array, then sort them in non-decreasing order, creating a new array of n into n plus 1 by 2, right? Uh, a new array. So basically, this is a formula for finding the number of subarrays, right? Return the sum of the numbers from index left to index right. See, this is very important. Index index start from 1. So you have to take left minus 1. You have to start from left minus 1, right? Because it is 0, 1. We always start from 0. So 1 minus 0, that is left minus 1. Okay? Inclusively in a new array. Since the answer can be a huge number, so in each and every iteration when we are finding the result, we have to multiply it by 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. That is 1, 8 zeros and 7. Okay? Right. So we'll take this example. Right. For example, we are given 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. And we are given left equals to 1 and right equals to 5. Okay. So you take this. The simple intuition is first find all the subarray subarray and meanwhile calculate the sum. Okay. Store that sum. Store that sum in an answer array. Okay. Sort the answer array. Oops, my bad. Sort the answer array, right? And traverse the answer array from I equals to left minus 1 till I less than right. Okay, this is simple intuition behind this question. Okay, let's write a pseudocode for this. Okay, we'll change the pen color, right? So pseudocode. Okay, so what you need, first of all, you need an answer array, right? You need answer array. Okay, so we first thing is we have to find the subarrays, okay, and calculate the sum, right? So we'll initialize, let's suppose in a function we are given an integer num, okay, then we are given left and we are given right, okay, okay. So we'll initialize an answer array, which is of answer array. In the question it is given, it is of length n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, in the question it is 2. So I'm writing this pseudocode in Java, but this is little similar to C++. You can write the similar code in C++ also. And in the description we are given the link of GitHub in which Java and C++ both codes are available, so you can check it out. Okay, so new int n into n plus 1 by, okay. So we'll find the subarrays I equals to 0, I is less than nums dot length and I plus plus. Okay. Now here we will initialize our sum equals to 0 because in each and every traversal, in each and every subarray, we have to calculate the sum. Okay. So we'll initialize our sum equals to 0, and after the traversal, we will store the sum in the answer array. Okay. So for j equals to 0, j less than nums, oh my bad, it will be j equals to I, j less than nums dot len. J will also go from, if you have this subarray, let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all, I and j pointer are here. Then j will move here. Then j will move here. Then j will move here. Then both I and j, will travel. I and j will be both will move. So I will be, incremented by one position. J equals to I, right? Then j will travel here. J will travel here. Okay. Then again, oh, sorry, my bad. Then again, I point to 3, j also point to 3, j will move till the end, then I point here, then j point here, j will move. Once the array length is over, j will break, okay, and meanwhile I will also break. Okay, so this is a simple intuition behind this, finding the suburbs. Okay, so j is less than nums dot length, j plus plus, right? So now here what we will do is we will increment the sum. So sum equals to sum plus nums of j. We will first of all sum is 0. Okay. First of all sum equals 0. I and j both are here. So we'll take this one and add that one in our sum. So sum equals to 1 now. Now after that j will move here. So sum becomes 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then j will move here, right? So sum becomes 3 plus 3, that is 6, right? Then j will move here. So sum equals to 6 plus 4, that is 10, right? In the test case also you can see you have 1 as your sum, 3, 6 and 10. It all this sums will be stored in a array, then we'll sort this array. Okay, so this is a code basically. So once the j will reach the end pointer, okay, I and j both will increment by one position. I and j both will increment by one position, and sum will again become 0, and the same story will continue. Sum equals to sum 0 plus 2, that is 2. Then j will move here. So sum equals to 2 plus 3, that is 5. Then j will move here. So sum equals to 5 plus 4, that is 9. Okay. Store all these elements in the answer array after this inner for loop. Okay. So sum equals to sum plus nums of j. Then add the sum. Okay, we'll initialize one k pointer also because we have to, k equals to 0. We have to store this elements. We have to store the sum in our answer array. So we need indexing. Okay. So answer of k equals to sum. Move k by one pointer. Move k by move increment k by one point. Okay. And this is it. This is the pseudocode for finding the this is a pseudocode for finding the subarray sum. Okay, and also we have stored this sum in our answer array. Stored the sum value. Okay, now our task is to sort this answer array. Okay, so simple, sort answer. Okay, now our task is to traverse this answer array from left till right, but we have to take care of this condition that the index start with 1, means we have to take left minus 1 till right. We have to take I equals to left minus 1 till I less than right. Okay, so we have to store this answer in some result variable. Let's suppose we'll initialize a result variable equals to 0. Okay, and traverse I equals to 0. I is less than answer dot length. Okay. and I plus plus, right? Okay, I have made, in the flow, I have written some wrong conditions. I'll write it once again. Uh, right, we have to start our I equals to left minus 1, I less than right, and I plus plus. Okay, I equals to left minus 1. Store this answer in your result. Result equals to result plus answer of I and modulo. Right, so modulo 10003367 8 and correct. It is 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. Okay. So why we are using this modulo? Because the number is very big, right? Integer cannot store this number. So in the question itself, it is given that you have to take care of this modulo as well because the number is very huge. So return the answer in 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. So basically 10 raised to power 9 plus 7 means 1 incremented by 8 zeros and last value is 7. Simple. And return result modulo 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 7. So yeah, this is a pseudo code for this question. This very easy question, guys, right? Because you are just storing the elements in in the answer array and store the sum in the answer array and sort the answer array. Then according to go with the flow of the question. Okay, question is saying you have to move from left to right. Okay, store that answer in the result and return the result with the modulo. Right. So I hope you guys got the pseudo code. Now we will solve this code in Java as well as in C++. Right? Yeah. Right. So now it's time to solve this question in Leetcode. So the same intuition that we have seen in the pseudocode, the same intuition we are, coding here. We have initialized an answer array, right? Whose length is n into n plus 1 by 2. So basically, this is a formula for finding the number of subarrays inside the array of n elements. Okay. This is a k pointer. This will help us to increment our answer array. Okay. So this is basically we are finding this code is basically used for getting the subarrays, and meanwhile we are calculating the sum. We'll take one element, we will add that element's value in the sum, and we will store that element in the answer array and move the I pointer. Okay. Every time you have to initialize your sum equals to 0 once your I pointer is over. Okay. After we will store the sum inside our answer, we will sort this answer array. Right. And according to the question, you have to return the sum of numbers from index starting from left to right. And this is a main key point, starting from first index. Okay. So you have to initialize your I pointer from left minus 1 because our array always start from 0 pointer. Okay. So I equals to left minus 1, I less than right, and I plus plus. Store this sum basically in the result. Okay, so result equals to result plus answer of I. Why we are doing this modulo? Because we'll get a huge number. So to reduce that huge number, we will take this modulo 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. 10 raised to power 9 plus 7 means 1 followed by 8 zeros and last element is 7. Okay, and return this result in the modulo form. Now let's run this code in Leetcode. Okay, hopefully it should work. Yeah, it is working. We'll submit it. Right. So this is it about this Leetcode problem of this day. Right. I hope you guys got the intuition how to use looping concept and uh, you know this modulo concept. Right. So thank you guys for watching this video and happy Friendship Day.